Surely somebody told you about how wonderful and how incredible are the service-oriented architectures, how incredible are the microservices, the microframeworks, how fast it is, how scalable it is, but probably nobody told you about how difficult it could be to implement a single microservice depending on what you need. Or even more important, nobody told you how is the interaction, how is the security layer, how is the security and the authorization logic to implement when you have several services completely separated and isolated one of the other. And that is exactly what I am going to show you and I'm going to teach you during this course. How to implement one by one all your microservices using one of the best microframeworks based on Laravel called Lumen. You are going to use Lumen to create every single microservice, every single component for your architecture. You are going to see how to use Lumen and some other packages to implement the security, how to use Laravel or basically Lumen Passport to authenticate the access using OAuth 2, how to avoid the direct access to your internal microservices, and how to structure everything in the best way, of course. So you are going to implement a completely functional microservice architecture. You will have an authors microservice, you will have a books microservice, you are going to have an API gateway to merge all those components and centralize the access, the security, how to handle the direct access to data internal books and authors microservices. You are going to see everything. I am going to show you the architecture, how it's going to work every component, the security, the access, the authorizations, everything is going to work perfectly at the end of the course. And you are going to learn everything from scratch. So let me to introduce myself. My name is Juan David Mesa Gonzalez. I'm a systems and informatics engineer. Additionally, I have a master's degree on systems and informatics, both of them from the National University from Colombia. Additionally, I am an online instructor for about 4 years ago, and I teach several topics related with web development, related with Laravel, with Lumen, with services, APIs, microservices, as you are going to see during this course, VPS deployment, security, etc. Everything that you need related with this, I am going to be probably very helpful for you. So at the end of this course, you are going to be able to implement your own service-oriented architecture. You are going to be very comfortable and confident to implement every single component, every single microservice of your architecture without any kind of problem. So this course is just for you because you are interested in the microservices. It's for you because you are interested on Lumen. You are interested in the service-oriented architectures. You are interested in security using, of course, a very well and completely functional architecture as you are going to see. So do not wait anymore. Please join us in the following classes and start this course right now to start learning to implement and create your own microservices and your own architecture oriented to services right now. So see you in classes.